Okay, just a minute, bud.
Are you going to watch it again, Christian? Okay. Okay, say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you got to hold it down. Want to hold that down for you? Okay. Whoa!
Woo!
Oh.
Woohoo!
Way up there, look.
Way up there.
See it straight up?
Oh, that was pretty
See it?
straight.
Here it comes.
I got it!
Uh-oh, it doesn't look like the parachute deployed very well.
Yeah, it's falling faster than before.
I got it! No, I don't got it. Crash landing!
What are you doing, bud? Are you trying to see if you can figure out where it's gonna land?
Crash landing!
Oh, it's coming down fast.
I get it!
Yay!